Today we will be coding a simple program, temperature converter, which can convert both from Celsius to Fahrenheit and from Fahrenheit to Celsius. So first we'll define a function to convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit, and we'll be taking the input as Celsius. Okay, then Fahrenheit equals to Celsius into 9 by 5 plus 32 and print the Fahrenheit. Okay, so this is a function to convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit. That is, temperature will be given in Celsius, we're converting it to Fahrenheit. Another function we will be calling is for Fahrenheit to Celsius, and the temperature input will be in Fahrenheit. So Celsius equals to Fahrenheit 32 into 5 by 9. Okay, then we will be printing the temperature in Celsius. Okay, now we will ask the user for a choice. Okay, so the choice will be an integers. So we'll take input and we will mention it. Okay, enter the choice. Now we'll mention the choice as, so enter 1 for Celsius to Fahrenheit, and enter 2 for Fahrenheit to Celsius. That is, enter the number 1 or 2. If it is 1, means you want to you have a temperature in Celsius and you want to convert it to Fahrenheit, and enter 2 if you have a temperature in Fahrenheit and you want to convert it to Celsius. Okay, now we take the temperature input. So now temperature will be in float. Okay, because it is it will be in decimals. So temperature equals to float input, enter the temperature. Then now we will write an if statement in case the user enters a number which is not 1 or 2 but any other number. In that case, okay, but first let me okay, if the choice is 1, okay, then we will be calling the function Celsius to Fahrenheit, and we will be entering the and for the input temperature. Okay, now if the choice is 2, then it will be from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Okay, the last case I was telling is, if the user enters a number which is not 1 or 2, then for any other choice apart from 1 or 2, we will be printing as a wrong choice, enter correctly. Okay, now we'll be checking the output for the we want to first, let me check with the first one actually. Okay, there's a small issue. Okay, I forgot one bracket. Fine. Now let me check the output again. So for 1, okay, it's for from Celsius, then for 2, and the temperature in Fahrenheit is 15. Okay, so this is working code.